Hello guys, summers have arrived and Dreo has also arrived with the all new tower fan, that is Dreo Pilot Max, to counter these hot summers, and it is the best tower fan in the market. And if I'm saying this, it have reasons. Let's find them out. My name is Fazal and you're watching Make It Talk. So before moving on to the product, let me give you a brief summary of its specification in just 1 minute. Firstly, it have hyper cooling speed that can go up to 26 feet per second, which we will be checking in a minute. But for comparison, other tower fan in this range can only give up to 18 to 20 feet per second speed. So it is very fast, and even being so fast, 20 feet per second speed, it is very quiet. The noise range is from 25 decibel to 48 decibel, which again for comparison with other tower fan can go up to 53 decibels. Thirdly, this fan can oscillate up to 120 degree, but here comes the good part. If you want this fan to only rotate up to 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, you can also do that. And by the way, you can also control this tower fan with this remote also, which we will be checking in just 20-30 seconds. And now here comes one of the most important part, the power consumption. The power consumption of this Dreo tower fan is only 36 watt, which is very low. That means it will only cost you 0.36 cents per month if you will run it 24/7 at its lowest speed. And seriously, 36 watt is very low. The other fans, tower fans I have seen on Amazon, Flipkart and Walmart, it is rated at 55 or 60 watt. So 36 watt is very low. It means Dreo will be cheaper and affordable to run in longer run. So now let's move on to the product. So these are the box content that you will get apart from the tower fan and its stands. You will get firstly the user manual of this tower fan. Secondly, the warranty card. It came up with 5 years warranty, and believe me, if a company is giving 5 years warranty, that shows how much trust and believe the company has it's on its product. So the company knows the product will cause no problem within 5 years. So you can scan that code and go to the Google form of the warranty card. And here's a quick start guide how to set up the stand, and it's one of the easiest method to set up the stand of this tower fan. It will only take you less than 2 minutes. And here comes the most interesting part of this tower fan, which is this remote. Let me focus the camera on here. So, and here is the Dreo tower fan remote. It has 7 buttons. First, the switch on and switch off button. Second is the minus and plus button, which is you can use to increase or decrease the speed. And here is the mode button. It has 4 modes: natural, ambient, normal and night mode. And here you can shut the sound off. And here is the oscillation button. And here is the power supply adapter of this tower fan, which is rated at 36 watt. Let me show you and focus it on. So here you can see it is rated at 36 watt, 1.5 ampere and 24 volt, which is 36 watt. And here is the Dreo branding, and the cord length of this is approximately 6 feet. It would have been nice if it would have been 9 feet, but 6 feet works for me. So I have connected to the power supply. Now let's open it. So here are the 6 buttons you can use, and the magic is you have all these buttons on this remote also. So if you want, you can control this tower fan from remote also. Let me show you. Here are the 7 buttons. So let me press the red button to open it. So here it has been opened, and now let me show you the display. So here you can see it is showing 1, and the top the swing is here. It means it is on normal mode. So now there are 4 modes that I will explain in the video. So if you want, you can increase the speed from top also. Like here you have to only press the plus button, and it will generate a beep sound if the sound is increasing. The speed is increasing. Let me show you. It has been increased to 3. So if you want, you can see like here I am pressing the minus button, and here, and if I am pressing the upper button, you can see here is 1. And if you want, you can control it from the remote like a boss. Like let me show you here like this. It is the remote is seriously very responsive, and 12 is the highest speed, and it will produce the highest sound. The sound level is like this. Now let me show you the demo of the speed that it is producing. Like here I am putting the paper, and you can see the speed. And let me show you one more demo. Seriously, the speed of this fan is very good. I am really impressed by the speed of this fan. I have not expected this much, but it has you can say outclassed my expectation. So wait a minute. So you can see the tower fan is around right now 12 speed, and here is the thermocol piece which have been given in the box to protect it from the damaging which can be caused during shipping. So I am putting it here, and let me show you. Seriously, the speed of this tower fan is very high. You can see it can blow the thermocol. The thermocol weight is around 50 to 60 gram, and you can see here it is seriously blowing. Like here I am putting this again here, and you can see it is blowing like this. I will come about the quietness in a minute. So now let me show you first the oscillation. You have to press this button here on this remote to do oscillation, or you can go here and press the button here, you can see here, and now it will start oscillating. You can see it can go up to 120 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 30 degree. So I will show you how to do it. You just have to press this button here. Once you press, the oscillation has been stopped, and once you again press, you can use the plus minus to adjust the angle of it. If I have on 1, it means it will rotate only 30 degree. If I will like press it again here and I will press the plus button and do it to 4, it will rotate to 120 degree. 3 means 90 degree, 2 means 60 degree, and it is very simple. And about the stand, you might be questioning like how I have attached the stand. It is a very simple process. Seriously, it will only take you less than 2 minutes. It is one of the Dreo has done one of the fantastic job by keeping the design as cool as this possible, and it seriously look nice in your room. Believe me, it seriously look premium in your room. I just love that design, and believe me, it will also going to look nice in your room too. And let me show you one thing also. Like here from the back, you can pull it here, and the weight of it around is pounds, and I will show you the screenshot of the Amazon. And here you can see the screw here, so it is openable. You just have to screw up the this screw, and the chamber will open. The dust that has been collected inside it, you can clean it from time to time. I think you should open it 3 or 4 in a month, so that will be nice for you. But yeah, you can clean it, and it is very nice. You can remove it by a screwdriver, so that's not a problem. And let me show you again. So here is the timer button, and I will operate it from here. Here is the remote. So now let's talk about the timer button. Here is the last button on this button. So I will press it here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here it will restart from 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is a timer for how much time you want it to be open. If you want, you can be left it for 24 hours also, but the timer button is also very useful in night. So if you want, you can do it for 2 hours, 4 hours, as much as you want. They have given you an option for 12 hours. That's good. And now let me show you the fourth button. It is a very useful button in night. So if I will press it here, the button, you will notice a difference. Like you will notice here is the mute button. Let me focus the camera once again. So the mute button is showing on this. So what does it mean? If I will press the increase or any button on here, no beep sound will be produced now. So it is very useful in night, because if you are sleeping and your family is sleeping and you don't want to disturb them, or you are studying, you don't want to disturb yourself, and you want to change the timing or settings of anything, so you can use it here. For me, it is a useful you can say feature. And now the third button here, it is one of the useful button, and here is the 4 modes that has been offered. So now let me tell you the mode that it came with. So the first mode is here. You can see the top one. It is the normal mode. So the normal mode is like the same constant amount of wind will be produced each second. It is 26 feet per second. Okay, and once you will press the button here, you can see here. Okay, so let me first do it here. So I have unmuted it so that you can listen the beep sound. So let me show you here. So I have on the screen, and here is the remote. So when I will press this button, okay, so now it has been switched to natural mode. The second mode is called natural mode. And now what is the difference between natural mode and normal mode? So the difference between natural mode and normal mode is, unlike normal mode, it will not produce constant speed. So it will produce alternating speed. Like the current speed number is 6, so it will produce like 3, 2, 5 and 6, maximum to 6. Like if you have the speed number, if right now it would have been 12, so it would produce the maximum speed up to 12 from 1 to 12. Now the question is, why does we need that mode? The thing is, when you walk on the road, or you walk on you walk on road only, okay, we don't get the same amount of wind, or you can say the same amount, the same speed of the wind every time. The speed of the wind is like, you can say, changes every second. So it gives you a, you can say, a feeling of nature. Like the speed is changing like 6 or 4 or 3 or 2, so it feels like nature. And personally, this mode cannot be explained that much. The thing is, when you will buy this Dreo tower fan, you will naturally notice the difference. And now let's come up to the third mode. The third mode is night mode. So let me switch on to the night mode. So once the night mode is on, automatically you can say the silent mode is already on. So the another thing that the night mode offers you, like So in night mode, the speed of tower fan decreases after every 30 minutes. Like if the speed number is right now 6, it will eventually go to 4. If the speed number is 9, it will eventually go to 6. If the speed number is like 10, it will eventually go to 7. So it works like that, as you can see in the photo. Now comes one of the most interesting mode, that is the ambient mode, or you can say the auto mode. The auto mode, in the auto mode, the fan speed will be adjusted according to the ambience of your nature. Like if the fan will notice the temperature is rising, it will automatically increase its speed. If the fan will notice the temperature of your surroundings is decreasing, it will decrease its speed automatically. And I have used it by using after 20 to 25 seconds, it would automatically increase the speed like it has been increased. You can see it has been screened really very fast. It has been already on the 12. So let me reduce the speed so you can hear my sound more clearly. So these are the 4 mode that you get, and let me again switch it to normal. I personally love the normal and nature mode. For me, ambience auto mode does not work that much, because I am currently here in India, and the temperature right now here is 38 degree. So the fan normally works at speed 12 only, so that not works for me very well. So if you are in America, the temperature there is constantly changing, so that might be a very useful feature to you, especially at nights. And now let's come up to the sound level, now, like how much sound it will produce. Before sound, let me give a thumbs up for this remote. Personally, I love this remote. As you can see how responsive the remote is. As you can see, I am currently here approximately 6.5 and 7 feet away from the fan, and the remote will still work. You can see it has been opened. If I want, I can increase the speed, and the seriously remote is very responsive. I will really appreciate this remote. And you can see it is an IR remote, so yeah. And also the light has been, you can see it has, the light produces like this, and it's a red color light. I don't know why my camera's capturing it like yellow. So yeah, that's how it works. So now let us compare the loudness of this tower to a normal pedestal or wall fan. So currently the speed of this fan is 1. Let me move it to the 12 so that it should be a fair comparison. So here it is at 12, and I am like 2 feet away, and no, I think yeah, I am approximately 2 feet away. And if I move it to the closer words, you can see the maximum sound is like this only. So yeah, so now let me compare it to the normal pedestal or wall fan that most of the people uses in the home. So here is the normal wall fan, and it is currently at its full speed. So tell me the sound. I think it's too loud as compared to Dreo, and I think now you can get a better idea of the sound. I don't think am I audible. And now here you can see the difference between the sound of Dreo and a normal pedestal fan. Seriously, the Dreo is seriously very quiet, and the thing is, the many people want the quietest fan. They want the fan don't even produce sound. If you want a fan that doesn't produce any sound, the best option is you buy a fan and don't open it. Seriously, if a fan is working, it will produce a little bit sound, and that's natural. And the thing is now the main part, the conclusion part. Should you buy this one or not? Another thing arises, who can buy this fan? Anyone who is frustrated by this and got irritated by the summer can buy this fan. Seriously, the Dreo has impressed me a lot. It is really very fast, very quiet, and very good looking in your room. And the thing is, it is best for the students who are studying, the people who work in office or in home, and they can keep this fan around them, and seriously, it will not disturb you, and it will also keep you cool during the summer. And the best thing is you can control it with this remote, and this remote is very well working. Now the thing arises, what is the price of this product? The price of this product is $130, which is MRP, but right now at Amazon it is only available at $117, and even at $117 you can apply a 5% coupon code. Now the effective price come to only $111, and if you are getting this fan at $111, it's a no-brainer. It is a blind buy. If you really want a tower fan for your home or for your office, it's a blind buy. Buy this fan right now. And if you want any other Dreo fan, and Dreo company also makes other tower fan also. Here's a list. If your budget does not go to $111, you can buy the Dreo Nomad fan, which costs only $70 to $69, and you can buy other fan which cost around $80 and less than $80. And if you want a detailed review, you can watch other YouTube creator videos on YouTube, so you can watch them also if you want a better idea. watch them also, give watch time also, because they are also hardworking. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button too. And if you had not watched the Dreo air purifier video, I will give the link in description. You should watch that also. That is also a great product for your home. And I wish you a very good and healthy summer. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.